Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. This is your GK class, and today I am starting from page number 39. So, my dear students, open page number 39. This is page number 39. Here, types of plants. Lesson name is types of plants. Here we learn different types of plants. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. Read about them and use the clue box to name them. Plants different size के और shapes के होते हैं. तो some clues are given here. We have to read the clues and clue box also given here. So from this clue box we have to name them. So first is, they are big and tall plants. The main stem is called the trunk. Small, thin stems are called branches. So, this is a tree. It has a main stem, it is called stem, and these are called branches. So, this is a tree. It is big and tall. Now, number 2. These plants have very thin and weak stems. They grow along the ground. ये ग्राउंड में ही ग्रो होते हैं और ग्राउंड के साथ साथ ग्रो होते रहते हैं. इनका स्टेम बहुत ही वीक होता है. दे हैव वेरी थिन एंड वीक स्टेम्स. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड क्रीपर्स. नाउ द थर्ड वन. These plants do not grow tall. They do not have a trunk. They have soft woody branches. ये बहुत बड़े नहीं होते हैं और इनके जो स्टेम होता है उसे ट्रंक नहीं बोलते हैं. They have short and woody branches. They called shrubs. Now number 4. These plants have weak stems. They need the support of other plants, sticks or wire, nets to climb and grow. ये प्लांट्स, इनका स्टेम भी वीक होता है एंड दे नीड सपोर्ट. इन्हें ऊपर बढ़ने के लिए सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत होती है, लाइक स्टिक, वायर और एनी अदर प्लांट के सपोर्ट लेते हैं ये. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड क्लाइंबर्स. ये क्लाइंब करते हैं ऊपर. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड क्लाइंबर्स. Number 5. These plants are very small. They have soft green stems. ये प्लांट्स बहुत ही छोटे होते हैं और इनका स्टेम एकदम सॉफ्ट होता है, सॉफ्ट ग्रीन स्टेम्स. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड हर्ब्स. So like this you have to write some types of plants. Okay. Now next page. This is page number 40. Ecoscope. Plants, your green friends. Mother Earth has given us some beautiful green friends. Can you guess their names? Yes, they are the green plants around us. जो हमारे अराउंड ग्रीन प्लांट्स होते हैं वो हमारे सबसे अच्छे ग्रीन फ्रेंड्स होते हैं. Plants are friends for life. We need fresh air to live. Plants give out oxygen which help us to breathe. Think, can you live without plants? No, we can't live without plants. Plants give us oxygen so that we can breathe. So, plants are friends for life. Now the second, help your green friends to grow. How? Your green friends need water, sunlight and good soil to grow. Help them grow by giving them water, allowing sunlight to fall on them. Remember, some plants need shade too. Sometimes turning the soil around their roots. तो हम कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हैं अपने ग्रीन फ्रेंड्स की ग्रो करने में? गिविंग दैम वाटर, उनको वाटर देकर, अलाउइंग सनलाइट टू फॉल दैम, उन्हें सनलाइट में रखकर। रिमेंबर सम प्लांट्स नीड शेड टू, कुछ प्लांट्स को शेड की भी ज़रूरत होती है। समटाइम्स टर्निंग द सॉइल अराउंड देयर रूट्स, कभी कभी हमें उनके अराउंड, रूट्स के अराउंड जो सॉइल है उसे भी टर्न करते रहना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट इज डू नॉट हर्ट योर ग्रीन फ्रेंड्स। When you pluck flowers and leaves, your green friends are hurt. They have life in them, so respect them. So do not pluck flowers unnecessary and leaves also. Respect them. They have also life. Okay, now next page. This is page number 41. Here, your green friends feel too. Just like you, your green friends feel happy and sad too. When someone harms them, they feel sad. When you are happy around them, they are happy too. Okay? So, they like music just like you. उन्हें म्यूजिक भी पसंद होता है, but soft music, not loud music. They like soft music. योर ग्रीन फ्रेंड्स केयर फॉर यू, डू यू केयर? आपके ग्रीन फ्रेंड्स आपकी केयर करते हैं, क्या आप करते हैं उनकी केयर? योर ग्रीन फ्रेंड्स रियली केयर फॉर यू. दे गिव यू क्लॉथ्स, फूड, मेडिसन्स एंड मैनी मोर थिंग्स. डू यू केयर ऑफ देम? गिव देम योर लव एंड केयर. हमारे ग्रीन फ्रेंड्स हमें क्लॉथ्स, फूड, मेडिसन्स, बहुत सारी चीज़ें देते हैं, तो हमें उनकी केयर करनी चाहिए. नाउ मेक मोर ग्रीन फ्रेंड्स. द बेस्ट वे टू केयर फॉर योर ग्रीन फ्रेंड्स इज टू ऐड मोर टू योर ग्रीन फ्रेंड लिस्ट. मीन्स ग्रो मोर ट्री, प्लांट सम मोर ट्रीज. मोर ग्रीन ट्रीज इक्वल टू हेल्दी मदर अर्थ. ओके, सो ग्रो ग्रीन. Okay, now here is a poem. A little seed for me to show, a little soil to make it grow, a little hole, a little pot, a little wish, and that is all. A little sun, a little shower, my new green friend grows along. So this is a poem for your little friends, little green friends. Okay. Now next page. This is page number 42 and here an activity for you. Do it yourself. Dress up your green friends just the way you like dressing up. Your green friends shall also feel happy if you give them a new look. So for this, here is what you will need. 2 old cups or coffee mugs, colored paper, white, black and red, scissors and glue. How to make it? Cut out 4 round eyes of white paper. Make 2 smaller black circles for the eyeballs. Stick the black circles on the white ones like this. Now cut 6 curved strips of black paper for the eyelashes. Stick it on the set of eyes. It should look like something in the picture B. So this is picture B. So like this you have to do. Now with red paper cut out the mouth and lips as shown in the picture C. Now wipe the cup mug with a clean piece of cloth and stick the eyes and mouth as shown in the picture. इस तरह से आपको पिक्चर में करना है. दिस इज पिक्चर. आईज, नोज एंड लिप्स, माउथ, आप इस तरह से इन्हें पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. प्लांट योर सीड्स इन द कप मग एंड वाटर इट डेली. कीप इट इन ए सनी प्लेस. See your green friends grow in these beautiful mugs. So this is activity. So do it yourself. Now next page, page number 43. This is page number 43 and here watch the sign. Complete each equation with the correct sign. 4 signs are given here: plus, minus, multiply and divide. So we have to put the correct sign. First has been done for you. 8 divide by 8 equal to 1. Now the second one, 6 multiply. 6 multiply 5 equal to 30. Third, 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. Fourth, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Now number 5, 64 divide by 8 equal to 8. 6 multiply 2 equal to 12. 7 multiply 7 equal to 49. So write here 49. In your book 47 is written, so correct it, 49. Number 8, 3 plus 9 equal to 12. 9, 54 divide by 9 equal to 6. 10, 13 multiply 2 equal to 26. 11, 4 multiply 2 equal to 8. 12, 5 multiply 4 equal to 20. 4 5 ja 20, so 13, 10 divide by 5 equal to 2. 14, 1 multiply 7 equal to 7. 15, 11 multiply 3 equal to 33. 16, 57. Here we can put the sign of multiply or divide by 1 equal to 57. 57 multiply 1 equal to 57. 57 divide by 1 equal to 57. Okay. Now 17, 12 multiply 4 equal to 48. 18, 5 plus 25 equal to 30. And 19, 7 multiply 3 equal to 21. Okay, so like this you have to put the sign. Now next page. This is page number 44 and the lesson name is Second Names. Some places in India are known by a special name or a nickname. Read the clues and unscramble the words to get the correct answer. So, number 1, it is called the Pink City of India. So, which city is called the Pink City? Jaipur. Jaipur is also called Pink City of India. सेकंड नेम मीन्स इनके दूसरे नाम जिनसे ये जाने जाते हैं. नंबर 2, it is called the city of Nawabs. It is also famous for its tasty kebabs. तो सिटी ऑफ नवाब के नाम से कौन सी सिटी फेमस है? लखनऊ. लखनऊ इज फेमस फॉर कबाब आल्सो. Number 3, this state is called the land of 5 rivers. So, which state is called the land of 5 rivers? Punjab. Punjab is called the land of 5 rivers. Number 4, this city is called the Gateway of India. It is also called the home of Bollywood, the Indian film industry. So, which city? Mumbai. In Mumbai, Gateway of India is situated and Bollywood also in Mumbai. Number 5, IT, Information Technology, capital of India. All major IT companies and their offices are here. So, which is the IT capital of India? Bangalore. Bangalore is also called the IT capital of India. And here all major IT companies are. Number 6, this state is called God's own country because of its natural beauty. इस स्टेट को गॉड्स ओन कंट्री कहते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स नेचुरल ब्यूटी. सो विच स्टेट? केरला. केरला इज कॉल्ड गॉड्स ओन कंट्री. Now number 7. This state is known as the tea garden of India because of its famous tea estates. So Assam. Assam is called tea garden of India. Okay. Now some information words. Rishikesh in Uttarakhand is known as the yoga capital of the world. The place has many yoga centers. So Rishikesh is called yoga capital of the world. Okay. Now I am going to stop this video. Do all the work properly and learn also. Okay. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.